Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can invite an editor, for example, to join your team in Penpot. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the Penpot app in the web browser, for example. Select your team here in the top left. I'm going to go with this example team I created for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do is navigate to the team settings by clicking into these three dots here. Then guys, click into members here. Here at the top, click into invitations. And here guys, you may invite someone, for example, by clicking into this button. But before you enter the email address of the invitation recipient and send the invitation, make sure that you select editor here. Unless of course you want to invite the given person as a viewer or admin with the given permissions, for example, right? So admins will be given admin permissions and so on and so forth. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.